Hello everyone. Tonight I will be picking my first challenge lock. It's called der Apfel, like the apple. If you want to pick it and don't want to be spoiled, then maybe turn off the video now. Otherwise I will show you some stuff that it's inside. It's made of an BKS 88 standard cylinder, and usually they come with 6 holes, and in this version I also populated the 6th hole with a special pin, and you will notice that I cannot turn the key when the lock is upside down, or like in the American way with pins up. So it works all fine on this direction, but the key won't turn in this direction. So let's try if I can still pick it. I use a bit of the key. And let's get a vise and try if I can pick it. So the idea is that you have to pick it European way, facing this direction basically. Maybe like this. Tensioner. And then I will be using this VO4 from Multipick most of the time, I guess. And it's a nice back and forth between the pins, or at least for me it is. Maybe let's get a deeper hook for the pins in the back. Can't really get under it, so use a shorter hook, VO7. Okay, it's full set now. Still, it doesn't mean much. Let's get a deep hook again. Yep, and we got that open. Nice. Okay, let's show you the insides. Pinning tray. And I would recommend to use a shim. I also wrote on the back here, yeah, engraved, use a shim. Or you can also use a pinning shoe, of course. Looks also just fine. And there you see the hole where the sixth pin goes. It's not sprung, just gravity pulls it into that hole. I'll show you in a moment in more detail. So let's get the key pins out first. No. Sorry. And the driver pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th one I leave in for now. I just get one spring out which is longer. This is in 1. The others are all the same, so just get them out here. no internal core modifications besides the 6-pin here, yeah. And there's no spring inside. But in chamber 6 is this pin. And yeah, basically it falls into that hole here in the core. Yeah, just like that. And then you cannot rotate it anymore. Or at least that's the idea. I still have to maybe improve that a bit with the Dremel. We'll do that in a moment. Yeah, and that's my first challenge lock. I'll show you the pins once more. Let me just arrange them quickly. So I used the original BKS pins, and then for the drivers I used some other key pins I had laying around. And yeah, this is just a standard BKS T pin, which I sandpapered a little bit just to get it better through the hole. And this is made from a long key pin, shorter key pin. I think one is made from a standard BKS driver. I think this one, the spool here. Yep. So this is my first challenge lock, picked and got it. Thanks for watching, and bye.